Hi guys, we're just going to run through how to change over your gas struts. So as you probably know, if you've already bought a conversion off us, we do the soft, the medium and the hard strut. It's the same strut, same structure, same strength. It's just got more gas in it for the medium and the hard, what we classify as. So this video we're just going to run through how to basically swap over the strut and then key safety features to look out for when you're doing that. So to begin with, there's a zip. It's a two-piece tent, if you haven't realised. There's a big zip runs the full perimeter. So we're going to go in here, grab the zip, unzip the whole tent. The tent will fall down, and then the roof will go up extra high. So there's always about 30 mil of stroke left in the struts. So it just keeps the tent tight throughout the duration of its life. So if you do stretch it or whatever, the struts just keep it tight. So we'll unzip the tent will drop down, the roof will go a little bit higher, which you probably won't notice, but it does. And then that takes the weight off the struts. So then we can unplug a strut and swap it over. Providing you don't have weight on your roof. So we've got a roof rack up on there now, it's only about 17 kilos. One strut can hold up the roof, that's how we've designed it. It's a safety feature, so if one does fail. So basically, once you've unclipped the strut, you can then unscrew the strut, take it off, replace it, and then go into the other side. Anyway, let's get into it. So zip down here, and you just undo it all the way. We've kind of already started. Try and be quick with it because there is a lot of pressure on that zip. So tent's folded down now. Can I turn a fan on? It's bloody hot today. Pop the safety clip off the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but pull the safety clip out. Grab the roof just in case, as a safety thing, and then just like you're popping it out. So you're pushing up with your left hand and then pushing out like that. And there you go. We're just going to fold the strut up in line with the roof like this. And then we're going to take off that safety clip up the top there. I'll show you how to sort of put those back on properly in a minute. Put those to one side, and then you can just quite literally just pull the strut off the ball joint like that. And then grab your other strut or go and put more gas in them, whatever you plan on doing. And then you've got to put it back up again. So you're making note of where the hole is that the safety clip goes into, because they are sided. Guys, I'm just going to show you how the safety clip goes in. So you locate that first hole and then make sure it slides through the other hole on the other side. Make sure it's not, you know, on a funny angle down into it, because that can happen. So make sure it goes through both sides. And obviously you can't see that when it's on the ball stud, but you can, if you push down like that, you can then feel that sticking out the other side. So that's your safety thing. Feel for the prick and you know you're good. So once it's in like that, you then push that and it clips in and locks around. When you undo it as well, when you open it up, put your hand on this side to stop it from flicking open, because it is spring steel, so it will flick and it can just sort of come flying out. So clip it on. The struts do clip on, but you can't rely on that clip. You then got to put the safety clip in. Go on your hole, go right through, clip it on, and I'm feeling for that prick on the other side of it. And then, so as you, I don't know if you can see it, but the gas strut is sort of parallel with the rubber seal, because it is a bit of an awkward angle to get on there. So just make sure your gas strut is parallel with the rubber seal, and then go ahead and put your safety clip in. And then you can lower your gas strut down, making sure to not sort of damage the conversion or scratch it. Push up on the roof, and then locate it. Once it's located, my left hand's holding tension, and then bottom hand just gives it a good whack and taps it in. Safety clip just sort of locates in that hole I explained earlier, and then pushes across, clips in, feeling underneath there for that spike. Just a rule of thumb, for whatever reason you can't feel the spike because you've got big fingers, the safety clip, if it just falls in, if it falls in all the way and lines up with this groove here, then you know you're in the right position. Got your safety clip back in on this side, you just repeat the exact same process for the other side to change it over. So now we're going to zip the tent back up. To do that, you need to get a helper, because someone needs to pull down on the strap of the roof, which sort of closes it a little bit, which then allows you to zip it up. If you try and force the zip, you'll just break it, because at the moment the roof is higher than what the tent is. And we've just put heavy duty struts in. You're only pulling it down roughly 100 mil, 200 mil. You can pull it down whatever you want. Just at least 100 mil allows you to get the tent on it. You're also guiding the tent, so one hand pulls the tent up and the other hand is zipping. Okay, you can let it go. And that's all you need to know for changing your gas struts over. If you've got any more questions about that, give us a call or an email, either or. Thanks.